friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken tinga for your amazing tostadas, step by step, so you make it and you enjoy them with your beautiful family. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing chicken tinga, these are my ingredients. I have garlic cloves, salt, bay leaves, and chicken breast. For the sauce, I have black pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, salt, garlic cloves, tomatoes, onion, and 2 California chili pods. Let's make this amazing homemade tinga. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start here first with the chicken, salt, and garlic cloves. I'm adding 4 chicken breasts into very hot water. I am removing the foam twice, just like this, and then I am ready to add the salt, garlic cloves, and bay leaves. I am going to cook until the chicken is fork tender. Once the chicken is nice and tender, I'm going to remove. Nice and hot. Look at this. I am going to get 2 forks and I'm going to start shredding all the chicken. Let me tell you, this tinga comes out delicious. It really reminds me, when I was a child, my mom used to cook tinga all the time and I really loved it. And here I have shredded all the chicken really nicely. When the chicken is still hot, it's very easy to shred. And now I'm ready to make that sauce. Yes, the sauce consists of 2 chile California pods, 3 tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and towards the end, 2 chipotle chilies. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Remember that the salt is to taste. We're going to take it to the stove. Let it start boiling. Once it starts boiling, let it boil for at least 3 minutes and then turn it off. And then you're ready to blend. Let me tell you, this sauce really comes out delicious. I like blending this first and then adding the 2 chipotle chilies. The chipotles is going to give it a smoky flavor. Don't worry, this is not going to be hot. It's going to be just delicious. I'm going to blend it one more time. And now I'm ready with the onion. I have 1 red onion. You could use red or white and then just pull it apart. And then you're ready to go to the stove. On the stove, I have a pan. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I am going to start sauteing the onion until it starts releasing the aroma of the onion. That's the indication you are ready to add your shredded chicken. Let me tell you, this recipe is easy. You could find the ingredients or you might already have the ingredients at home. Add the sauce right on the top. Let it cook. Let it boil for about 5 minutes in medium-low heat so that the chicken really absorbs all the flavors that the sauce have. Once this is done, let's go see how I'm going to enjoy this amazing tostada. There's no excuses, beautiful family. Make this amazing tinga at home. You're going to completely love it. I have queso fresco that I'm pulling apart. I am going to add some lettuce, of course, nicely chopped, nicely thin. And then I'm ready to transfer it to a plate. And now let me show you all my ingredients. Of course, the tostadas, your chipotle sauce, so you could add on the top. I'm going to add the queso fresco or queso cacique, sour cream, lettuce, and of course, your tinga. I am ready to start building up this tostada. I'm adding the sour cream in the center, and then right on the top, just enough tinga. Right on the top, I'm adding this on the top. I'm adding my lettuce, and right on top of the lettuce, I am going to be very generous with my queso fresco. Any kind of queso fresco. I have cacique, and that's what I'm using today. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit of the chipotle sauce on the top. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. And I'm sure you're going to love this recipe too. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Tinga Tostada. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. I think I added too much tinga. Let me tell you, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. If you like and love this amazing Tinga Tostada, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing tostada de tinga. See you soon. Bye-bye.